Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Tuesday the 7th of February 2023. Relatively quiet crypto markets so far today. In fact, from where we're at this point 24 hours ago when I recorded yesterday's brief, we're relatively unchanged, and to be honest there's not too much new news that I can bring your way. One of the only things I wish to discuss today is this chart that I posted from Bloomberg inside the crypto chat room. Just to give it some colour, because a lot of these session briefs last year, a lot of my focus and rhetoric, for example, was on the correlation between equities and BTC, cryptos in general, and I discussed it being a high beta play for risk assets, essentially. Basically what that means is when, for example, the Nasdaq goes up 2%, you might see BTC up 10%, vice versa. Nasdaq down 2%, you might see BTC down 10%, for example. But this chart is actually showing that over the course of 2023 so far, and this is something which we've been identifying on these briefs all year so far as well, is that correlation has been dropping, and you're now seeing it drop to basically 12-month lows, more than 12-month lows. And you can see here recently it was just at it was almost at 0.2, which is an extremely low correlation. So basically what that's suggesting is the actual correlation has almost completely vanished between the Nasdaq tech stocks, high risk for example, and BTC. Which is interesting. Drew replied just recently. Drew made an interesting comment that it's pointing towards fewer retail participants who have less cheap money to burn. I mean, that's possible, of course. We've got interest rates moving higher, less cheap money available coming through the system. So is that why the correlation has been is going lower? Because you've still, of course, got institutions in the stock market. That remains, but yeah, certainly something interesting, and it's an observation worth keeping an eye on. Because what I suggested is that this asset class, cryptos, BTC, are starting to trade on something that resembles perhaps its own fundamentals, and of course that could be pretty positive signs moving forward. Are we gearing up basically for its own bull run moving forward? The question is that it can. In the past, it has made its own weather like no other. It was born from the ashes of 2008. Had tailwinds of loose monetary policy at its back for most of its existence, but when supply halvings occur, regardless of monetary conditions, they can drive mania-like excitement. Of course, then parabolic rallies. Maybe we are gearing up for another one of them. In terms of price action for today, as you can see, not too much going on. We did have a lower close on Bitcoin yesterday, and to be fair, we did see lower closes across equities, just as we were talking about correlations being low. We did have that lower close yesterday. Ethereum just starting on the H4 to put in some lower highs. You can see after that high around just above 1700, we've had 1, 2, potentially a third here if we can't get back through this sort of region of 1656, or even retest. If we do reject off this region now, it could be the sign that we are just starting to trend lower, and perhaps for a move back into 1550, back towards those range lows, if you like. Ripple, nothing to report. Litecoin found a bounce at one of our key levels yesterday, 95. You can see there, had a few tests to break below. Really strong bounce though, and a firm move to the upside. So certainly Litecoin has been leading the way in terms of the not just the gains it's made, but generally when we've been making moves to the upside, it's actually been the first mover of these three. So again, something just to watch moving forward, and a sign that we might start to use LTC Litecoin as part of our trading strategy. See where it's at. If it is moving to the upside, just see if this is something which continues, and then we can start to use it as part of our overall trading strategy. But I think for now that's pretty much me done for the crypto session brief. I will see you all inside the chat room, and until next time, all the best with your trading. Bye for now.